way beyond the boundary of the Pride Land.
Look, Banana is scared.
It's Mr. Banana to you, fuzzy.
But I know just the thing. Let me fetch you a pot of tea and some of my fresh
But first, you must I don't anyone anymore.
And here's my little secret.
Without permission? Oops. Who in her bean curd?
There's something different. Don't tell me. I got it. It's your right? You've been using the right?
We're really sorry.
If you ever my son again.
Oh, this is your fault. Did you know that? Oh boy, Belle's gonna get her life, huh, Gaston?
Yep, this is her lucky day.
Little mermaid and the ocean will be mine.
What are you going to do? You wouldn't your old uncle. No, Scar. I'm not like you.
Too skinny. Not good for you. Something wild for you. Oh yeah? We'll just see about that. I was fine. Of course I was fine. I thought.
Now, Toby, sit. Toby, sit.
Sit, Toby. I'm speechless. I really don't know what to say.
Say your
I'm very sorry, Gaston, but I just don't deserve you.
Hey, who's the are you talking to me? Uh-oh, they're calling the Are you talking to me? Shouldn't have done that. Are you talking to me?
Now they're in for it.
Hey, call me Mr.
As a new order now. My order.